Instead of going to the store, I decided to order my groceries online. He wanted to go to the beach, but instead we stayed at home because of the rain. Instead of taking the bus, I walked to work this morning. She planned to study for the exam, but instead she ended up watching TV all night. Instead of a sandwich, I had a salad for lunch. He wanted to buy a new car, but instead he decided to save the money for a down payment on a house. Instead of cooking, we decided to order takeout from our favorite restaurant. I was going to go to the gym, but instead I decided to go for a run outside. Instead of going out to a movie, we stayed in and watched one at home. She was going to take the train, but instead she decided to fly to her destination. Instead of taking the highway, we took the scenic route through the mountains. I was going to wear my blue dress, but instead I decided to go with the red one. Instead of going to bed early, I stayed up late to finish a project. He was going to eat a slice of cake, but instead he opted for a piece of fruit. Instead of watching the game at a bar, we invited some friends over to watch it at our house. If you like these videos, please like and comment, and please, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.